Good morning and welcome to week 2. It appears my previous video didn't record, so I wanted to go ahead and record another one so we can definitely get this where you can actually see it. In week 2A, which is going to be the first part of the week, which we're going to talk about Monday to Wednesday, we're going to be looking at lectures 7 through 9. We'll have a reading quiz. We also have the lecture notes on these items as well. So we talk about the Gospel of Mark, as well as the Jewish diversity in the Gospel. We have a discussion board post due, and we have a lecture quiz on here for you guys to do on those days. For 2B, we're going to do that Thursday through Saturday. So we're looking at the New Testament from Luke 1 through 24 and John 1 through 21. We'll also be reading the Encountering the New Testament, pages 84 through 101. We have a reading guide here, a reading quiz for 2B. And you need to look at these lectures as well. So we have the lecture for Gospel of Luke, as well as the Gospel of John. We have a discussion board post, and then we have the map 1 for you guys to do. The map 1 will actually be turned in, let's see, where is it at? In week 3B. So you have a little bit of time on that. Definitely look over that and start making preparations to get that done. But other than that, that's pretty much what we have in this class so far. As you see, I will be in the class a little bit from time to time, grading discussion board posts. I'll read discussion board posts, all of them, but it's one of those things where I'll comment on some, but not all. So I want to let you guys know that. But if you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help out and give you any kind of information you'd like to know. Thanks, and have a great day.